update because we are learning that the state has provisions under the law to shut down the mall for at least 7 days and have no access when it comes to the public coming to the mall. The government is probably mulling at least a week-long closure of this said mall.
ಅದೇ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳೆ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಿಬಿಎಂಪಿ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಇದೆ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ, ಅವನಿಗೆ 7 ದಿವಸಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಅವನ ಮಾಲನ್ನ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಸುವಂತದ್ದು ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನಿದೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಅವನ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮುಚ್ಚಿಸುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಈಗ
to Deepak now. Deepak, good afternoon. How do we understand, because the entire incident snowballed into the outrage that is being witnessed, what has now been mulled over the said action against the mall?
Well, if you hear what the Urban Development Minister there, Bhairati Suresh says, he says that he has consulted some of the commissioners of the BBMP, and they say that under the provisions of law, they do have a provision to shut down the mall, and they will do so accordingly if they need to. Right now, of course, the matter could once again be taken up in the assembly after the lunch session, of course, which is just broken a while ago. Once the session is convened, they could probably give us more clarity as to whether they will actually shut it down for 7 days and whether it will be done starting today as well. We're also picking up at this point in time that there are certain officials of the BBMP who have arrived at that mall. They are in talks with the management. What the dialogue there is right now, that's still behind the closed doors. We are yet to get an official confirmation about the next move of the BBMP.
Right.
There is also, of course, issues pertaining to property tax that they are looking into as far as this mall is concerned. So very soon, probably, we will see some sort of an action being initiated by the government.